rent is too damn high. There's nothing else to talk about. Nothing.
Rent is too damn high magazine. Our program is mobile, and we're on our way now to bring the stories to you. Is what we do. We go get the stories and bring them to you. But some of the stories we will be highlighting are events that has already taken place that we just want to shed some light on them. One of those events that took place, it happened on July 2nd, 1964. And the people don't have a holiday to celebrate. The people are the Negroes. They were looking for a day to celebrate, but when the leader was of the movement was put down through assassination, all thoughts and ideas and the people who make the movement possible are no longer here, are no longer visible. There are some, I may be one of them. And what I mean by that is the signing of the civil rights legislation by Lyndon B. Johnson with Dr. Martin Luther King present. That was the day, the signing of the Negro independence. Regardless of what took place, the fight, the struggle is still taking place after that signing. The bottom line is that that was the day of the signing of the independence. July 2nd is the day that the Negro should use to celebrate around the signing of that legislation in America. Along with that, to celebrate the Holocaust of the Negroes, where some 400 million Negroes' lives were lost through slavery. Not lost, were murdered. So it's important that we have people who step up that can continue the fight in the direction of the fight, in a positive direction of what the struggle was really all about. The Malcolm X, the Dr. Martin Luther Kings, those before him, and one you don't know that I know very well, my grandfather, my uncle, my family members, like many of the Negro family members, all fought for the freedom, where it ended up where one soldier climbed to the top of the ranks and was able to pull the people together in such a way that even his day can be celebrated on that signing date, July 2nd. That has been totally forgotten. Now, I do respect, there's nothing wrong with celebrating Dr. Martin Luther King's birthday. I love it. But in the day of independence of July 2nd is for all the Negroes who lost their lives and who is still fighting for their families. Now, understand, within the fight, within the independence, it must be understood that the bill was signed on the 2nd of July of 1964. Negroes still have nothing, and that is because by the time they were signed to be a free people or given the independence, all the river edges of the world was bought and paid for. So the Negro basically have nothing. One or two come up out of the ranks, the rappers and real estate agencies, and made a little fortune, but that doesn't accumulate and doesn't add up to the opportunity blown, the opportunity not given. There's nothing that could be said or done to make up for that. But we as a people have learned to move on. We have no choice. We have no choice but to move on. So to all those who hear this, I say the Independence Day for the Negro to celebrate is July 2nd. Me, all I can do is broadcast to you the truth about how I feel and the way I see it. Who am I? I am one of the ones, soldier in the field, like my grandfather, like my uncle, my great uncle, my cousins before me. I am all of them. I am all of them. The Holocaust for the Negro, the civil rights signing of independence is what this is about. Once again, this is Jimmy McMillan of the Rent is Too Damn High TV magazine. We call it the ritdhTV magazine. Thank you for listening.
ritdhTV. Yeah. Magazine.org. 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 ritdhTV. Yeah. Magazine.org.